Setting up Klarna financing is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. First, it is essential to understand what Klarna financing is and how it works. Klarna is a payment service provider that offers financing options to customers, allowing them to pay for purchases over time. To set up Klarna financing, start by visiting the Klarna website or mobile app and creating an account. You will need to provide some basic information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Once your account is created, you can apply for financing by selecting the payment option at checkout on a participating merchant's website. The next step is to choose your financing plan, which can range from paying in 4 interest-free installments to financing over a longer period. With interest, be sure to review the terms and conditions of your financing plan carefully, including the interest rate and repayment schedule. After selecting your financing plan, you will need to provide some additional information, including your social security number and income details. This information is used to verify your identity and assess your creditworthiness. Once your financing application is approved, you can complete your purchase and begin making payments according to your repayment schedule. It is crucial to make your payments on time to avoid late fees and negative impacts on your credit score. Best practices for using Klarna financing include making timely payments, keeping track of your repayment schedule, and only borrowing what you can afford to repay. By following these steps and using Klarna financing responsibly, you can enjoy the benefits of paying for purchases over time while maintaining a healthy financial situation. In summary, setting up Klarna financing is a simple process that requires creating an account, applying for financing, choosing a financing plan, and providing additional information. By understanding how Klarna financing works and using it responsibly, you can make the most of this payment option and enjoy a more flexible and convenient shopping experience.